Welcome everybody! In this video we will go over some tips and tricks to be a successful online learner at UBC Okanagan.
Let's go over some things that you will need. A computer or laptop with the following recommended minimum specifications. However, these can change among programs. Ask your program advisor for more information. An Intel i3 or AMD Ryzen 3 processor, 4 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage, and Windows 10 or Mac 10.13 operating system. Stable internet, headphones, and an external or computer microphone for better audio quality. A working video camera, either a laptop's or a webcam, and Google Chrome. Canvas and other UBC software works better in this browser.
After gathering all the things you need, it's important that you prepare a quiet study environment that will allow you to concentrate and succeed. Remember to get rid of all distractions, such as loud noises, YouTube, your phone, and yes, even your family members. Take a break. It's good to take a 3-minute break from your computer every 30 minutes to help stay focused for longer. Maybe stretch, do some yoga.
Routines and organization are key. It's easy to oversleep, have an inconsistent diet, or have bad hygiene. Use a calendar to help get into a routine. Schedule your lectures, assignments, labs, exams, and any other important tasks or deadlines. It's also a good idea to create a daily to-do list.
Now let's talk about Canvas. Canvas is UBCO's learning platform. It is where you will find all your course information, including synchronous live lectures, asynchronous pre-recorded lectures, your assignments, your labs, your tutorials, quizzes, and much more.
Here are some tips. To log into Canvas, use your CWL login information. Courses will appear on the main screen when the term starts. You can add your preferred pronouns. All times in Canvas are Pacific Standard Time. And for better quality during a live lecture, make sure your microphone is muted unless you are speaking.